This was built in 1989, and this was the original library, and we've grown since then, and we keep growing. And I feel like constantly I'm turning students away. We are the hub of the building because we have a lot of things that we take care of. We deal with the technology. Kids get Chromebooks in here. They're printing papers. They're doing research. Classes come in to use it for collaborative space. Kids also view this space as a place where they can just study, because they may be in a cafeteria study hall and there's no backs on the seats in the cafeteria, and they like to come in here because they can spread out and have more space. We have kids come in with group projects who will come in and work because it's an open space. I view a modern media center as a big open space with a lot of collaborative places, rooms where kids can go and do projects with whiteboards and collaborate. Maker spaces where they can come in and create things. As you go on to further education at the college level, the library is the hub of college and universities.